Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Fundamentals of AI. Inside the Transformer. The Transformer architecture, introduced in 2017, is the foundational technology behind all major language models, including GPT, Claude, Gemini, and Llama. Unlike previous sequential processing methods, transformers use attention mechanisms to simultaneously analyze entire inputs and determine which parts are most relevant for generating responses. Coffee break. Is Mark Zuckerberg pulling Meta's business into a death spiral? Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is facing intense scrutiny as the company shows signs of decline, with shrinking user numbers, plummeting stock prices, and criticism over mismanagement and failed AI investments. Industry observers, including New York Times columnist Julia Angwin, are now questioning whether Meta has entered a zombie era, comparing its trajectory to past tech giants like AOL and Yahoo that faded after losing consumer relevance. Will it Mythos? Mythos, an advanced AI model known for identifying security vulnerabilities, has been benchmarked against other models using a suite of real-world bugs it previously discovered. Results indicate that while other top-tier models can identify these bugs when directed, Mythos demonstrates a unique capability in finding them independently, highlighting its specialized role in cybersecurity. Running local models is good now. Local AI models have significantly improved in performance and usability, with recent advancements like GPT-OSS and Google's Gemma 4 enabling developers to perform complex coding tasks locally with up to 75% accuracy and speed of frontier models. Users can now reliably use local models for development tasks such as refactoring code and linting, reducing dependence on cloud-based APIs. Microsoft Satya Nadella says every company should build its own AI model. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella urged companies to develop their own AI models tailored to their specific needs, emphasizing that each firm should function as its own learning system. He advocated for a decentralized approach to AI development to avoid over-reliance on a few dominant models and to leverage proprietary data and contexts effectively. Will Meta's $14 billion bet on AI ever pay off? Meta's $14 billion investment in AI talent from Scale AI has helped the company regain relevance in the artificial intelligence market, though it remains significantly behind competitors like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. However, CEO Mark Zuckerberg's credibility with investors may be waning due to the company's $80 billion losses from its metaverse and virtual reality ventures since 2020. How to set up a local coding agent on macOS. A user successfully set up a local coding agent on macOS using Gemma 4 with MTP for faster performance, running it via llama.cpp with Metal support, and achieved usable speeds on an M1 Max with 64 GB memory. The setup includes a 16 GB GGUF model, Q8 MTP draft model, and multimodal projector, enabling screenshot input and OpenAI-compatible API integration. Pi may be a powerful AI coding agent, but I refuse to run it without this extension. Pi is a powerful AI coding agent favored for DevOps and coding tasks, particularly in self-hosted environments like Raspberry Pi, but requires a specific extension to overcome its limited context window drawback. 6 settings I always change before running a local LLM. Users often overlook LLM settings after downloading, leading to suboptimal performance, when adjusting parameters like context length could significantly improve speed and behavior. Context length acts as a budget for tokens rather than a maximum limit, affecting prompt, reply, and document attachment capacity. Pairing Claude code with local models. By 2026, local models are sufficiently advanced to handle most coding tasks previously requiring cloud-based APIs like Claude Code, offering cost-free, unrestricted usage without dependency on external services. Developers can now run quantized models locally using inference backends such as Llama, LM Studio, and llama.cpp, maintaining high performance for code completion, refactoring, debugging, and explanations. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.